Hello, Optimizely community and judges. Thanks for giving opportunity to present the Figma plugin for CMS SaaS and Visual Builder. To create the content or experience, the key part is content type. Without content type, we cannot able to create any content. So currently, the only way to create the content type is from the CMS interface manually, and that is not that easy to create the content type from the Figma design for all the components manually mapping over here. Second approach, REST API, you can use the Postman and the payload to create the content type, but even it is not that easy. So that is the reason this Figma plugin will help us to jumpstart your front-end development and the content creations with the ease in a single click solution. Uh, Let me go to my Figma. I have one of the Figma document having a single component call to action, and we'll see how this plugin will help us to get the content type. In the Figma, if you can go to the plugins and manage plugin, you will find you can search for the content type builder and it will open the plugin. Here is the API URL of your instance, client ID and the secret which you can generate from the here API client. You can create your client and the secret and you can define in the plugin. I already have one exist Figma which is configured over here token. You can see in my Figma document call to action component is selected, which have a property theme, action, image and description. And you can see the component type name is call to action as per the component name in the Figma, and the type is component. Once I click on the sync, it will create your content type in the CMS SaaS. You can see call to action block is created. Is a theme uh, uh, drop down list, action, URL to page and external address, image and the descriptions created automatically. So this plugin will try to map your type in the Figma to optimize the CMS data type and will create the content type automatically. Now I can easily create my content in the CMS. You can see I have one component call to action. You can see the themes and the property. This is the automatic creation of the content type from Figma to CMS. Now let's talk about the visual builder. If I want to use this as a visual builder element, or I want to create an element for the visual builder experience, you can go to the settings and configurations. There is a plenty of configurations over here. The primary one is enable for visual builder. So once you click enable for visual builder, uh, this will now support for the visual builder. And if I see the settings, now you can see your type is changed from component to element and the name is call to action. So this will create the element for the experience. Now let me go back to my settings. Because it's now enabled for the visual builder, it will create the element. Element call to action with display template variant created successfully. All the type is mapped automatically. Here, one thing you can notice, this call to action is a Figma component having a two variant, blue and the white theme. And there is a property theme on the component level with the white and blue. Let's see how it will reflect in the visual builder. Now I'm coming to the experience in the visual builder. New blank section. You can see add call to action is now available as an element for my visual builder, where you can define your action, link to the page, internal or external, image and the descriptions. And if you go to the styles, style is also created automatically, display as a variant, and you can see the theme blue and the white, which you can use in your headless front-end development. So this is how you can create your component from the Figma document to the optimized CMS and the visual builder. This plugin will really help to immediately jumpstart your front-end development. You can create a component in a click and you can start creating a content. Whenever you modified your component in the Figma, you can come back and resync again. This is how it will really helpful for the CMS SaaS subscription and the customer to create the component very easy.